Welcome to the Culinary Study Guide. In today's video, we'll be answering common questions about developing knife skills. Number 1. How do I hold a knife properly? Proper knife grip is essential for control and safety. Hold the handle firmly with your dominant hand, ensuring a comfortable and relaxed grip. Wrap your fingers around the handle, keeping your thumb resting on the side of the blade for stability. This grip provides control while allowing for precise cutting motions. Number 2. What are the different types of knives and their uses? There are various types of knives, each designed for specific tasks. Some common ones include a chef's knife, versatile and used for various cutting tasks such as chopping, slicing, and dicing. A paring knife, small and nimble, ideal for intricate tasks like peeling, trimming, and precise cutting. Bread knife, a serrated blade designed for slicing through bread without squishing it. Santoku knife, a Japanese-style knife used for general-purpose cutting, often with a shorter, wider blade. Boning knife, flexible and narrow blade used for separating meat from bones. Utility knife, mid-sized knife suitable for various utility tasks in the kitchen. Slicing knife, long, thin blade used for slicing cooked meats, roasts, and other large cuts. 3. What are the basic knife cuts and techniques I should learn? Learning basic knife cuts and techniques will enhance your efficiency and precision in the kitchen. Some important ones include julienne, thin matchstick-shaped cuts. Brunoise, finely diced cubes. Chiffonade, thinly sliced or shredded leafy greens or herbs. Mince, finely chopped ingredients into small, even pieces. Slice, cut ingredients into thin, uniform slices. Dice, cubed ingredients into evenly sized pieces. 4. How can I improve my knife speed and efficiency? Improving knife speed and efficiency comes with practice and proper technique. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm and fluid motion while cutting. Use the proper grip, position your body ergonomically, and let the knife's weight do the work. Keeping your knife sharp and using a cutting board with a stable surface will also enhance your speed and efficiency. 5. What is the importance of knife maintenance and sharpening? Knife maintenance and sharpening are crucial for optimal performance and safety. Regular maintenance involves cleaning and drying your knives after use and storing them safely and organized. Sharpening your knives regularly ensures their cutting edge remains sharp, improving cutting efficiency and reducing the risk of accidents. 6. Are there any safety tips I should follow while using knives? Yes, safety should always be a priority when using knives. Some important safety tips include: always pay attention and stay focused on the task at hand. Keep your fingers and thumb tucked in and away from the blade while cutting. Use a cutting board with a stable surface to prevent slipping. Avoid cutting towards yourself. Instead, use a rocking or sliding motion. When not in use, store knives in a designated knife block or drawer for safety. 7. How can I practice and develop my knife skills at home? Practicing knife skills at home is a great way to improve. Start by selecting a variety of ingredients and practice different cuts and techniques. Take your time, focus on proper form and precision, and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. You can also try following online tutorials or cooking classes that specifically focus on knife skills. 8. Are there specific cutting techniques for different ingredients? Yes. Different ingredients may require specific cutting techniques. For example, hard vegetables like carrots may need a cross-cut or diagonal cut to ensure even cooking. Delicate herbs like basil can be chiffonaded to preserve their flavor and appearance. These questions cover a range of topics related to knife skills, from the basics of holding a knife to more advanced techniques. It's important to remember that developing knife skills takes practice, patience, and proper technique. Learning the fundamentals and continually honing your skills will allow you to become more confident and efficient in the kitchen.